Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Temu to Create. This is Hakeem-Habeeb. This is just a quick tag making that I'm trying to share with you. I've used the computer to generate the Happy Christmas there and the recipient's name, and lots of love from myself and my husband. And I've used Alinacraft postage. It's quite sort of large one. So what I've done is I've actually sort of used that to cut it down, and after cutting it like so, I then went ahead and cut the base of it like that to make it a little bit smaller, make it square rather than the dile. Okay. So, and I've used Tonic Studios craft kit, the Christmas one from 2022, which is kit 57. I tend to label mine so that I can remember what they actually are for, whether Christmas, and if they actually correspond to another set, another kit. So this is what I've done with mine, and that's my Temu to Create, and that's basically 2022 set. There are 3 sets in here, 3 kits, but I have actually sort of managed to put 4 in here. So that is kit 57 that I've used, Festive Craft Town. And the only thing I've used in there is the Santa and the Santa sleigh and Rudolph's there, as you can see, that one at the top there. And I've actually stamped them out using Tim Holtz. Let me show you quickly. I've got them down here. Okay. I've used archival first of all to stamp out the Rudolphs, and I've used this one. I basically ink the Rudolphs with that, the vintage photo, and then went along and used Tim Holtz, this one here, to ink the Santa, the Father Christmas Santa, and his sleigh, Bando. Okay, so that's all I've done. So easy. And I've used my crocodile. I'm dropping everything here. And I've used my crocodile to punch that hole out there. And I'm going to be using ribbon to finish it all off. So it's just a quick one. Didn't take long at all once I got my head around it. So here we go, and I will show you once I've put them on the parcel, the presents themselves. So come and join me again. Bye for now. Temu to Create. Hakeem-Habeeb.